G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of something really rare, a 2016 Nissan Navara ST-X in a 4x4 automatic king cab. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. They normally don't last long, these king cabs, so please do not leave it long if you're after an automatic and a 4x4, because this ute presents really well and it's got loads of features as well. So what I'll do in this video is I'll go right around the exterior of the vehicle, take you through the interior, to give you a really good indication of the ute's quality and condition. Really clean throughout, and the reason we do these videos is to give you a really good understanding of the car's condition if you do live a fair way away from us. Now I have got the ute running throughout the video, so you can hear the quality of the engine as we work our way around the car, to give you confidence the car is mechanically sound as well. So starting from the driver's side, you'll see the king cab has the suicide door or the extra cab door, so I'll show you how that opens in one tick, but I'll do the exterior to start off with. But as you'll see, really clean condition. See my legs in the background, so really good quality paintwork for this age of car. Now I'll open that driver's door just to show you how the king cab opens. So you've got your main driver's door section, and then to open your king cab, just inside the cabin there is a little handle which is just situated behind that seat belt just there. That opens the king cab to give you that extra seating, being a 4-seat vehicle. Really handy for young kidlets or workers, to give you the extra tub space. But again, you still can put 4 passengers in the back if need be. Really clean condition, as you'll see on that interior. I might as well do the interior while we're sitting here as well. Back to your driver's seat, factory leather in this model as well. So it was an option back then to have factory leather with heated front seats as well. But as you'll see, leather condition is absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful condition through the interior. Again, there's your heated seats and your red arc electric brake unit. So your heated seats, you've got high and low settings for driver and passenger. So that is part of your heated seats leather package, which you're looking at Navaras. So anything with leather interior in the ST-X and the Navaras, if they're factory fitted, will have those heated seats as well. Might as well do the door card while we're here as well, interior wise. I will come back around to do interior functions, but as you see, really clean condition on that front end, driver's side, exterior and also interior. Coming to your front guard area, beautiful condition of that front guard area, really clean throughout. And a really good set of all-terrain tyres fitted. I can't see what brand they are, but they're really good quality. But I will come back to you and tell you what that brand are when I can read the tyre. But really good quality, all-terrains fitted as well. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, does have a replacement steel bull bar in the front. So just your lower bull bar with your ring, with your driving lights, ARB fitted. Genuine Nissan bonnet protector also as well. So really a tough, aggressive looking front end of the Navara. Just a great looking ute, these Navaras, and really popular for us. They normally don't last too long. Coming back to your front guard on that passenger side, really good quality paintwork again. Again, your all-terrain tyres, alloy wheels in great condition. And then heading back up to your bonnet. Look how clean it is, absolutely phenomenal. Real true credit to the previous owner. Also, forgot to mention, it does have the extended mirrors. So if you're going to be towing, really handy if you've got a caravan. It does have the extended mirrors on the driver and passenger side as well. So I think we do have the standard ones also from memory, but worst case, these are a really good aftermarket item that's been fitted. Really handy for towing again. Again, your passenger front door, beautiful quality. Side steps are in great condition. And coming back to your king cab or suicide extra cab section of the rear door, again, beautiful condition throughout. Again, I'll open that door just to show you through the interior as well. Passenger side door card. This gives you a bit of an idea how clean it is. You'll see it's got the inserts all the way through, so it has been cared for. So inserts on the door cards, inserts beneath your 4x4 badge, your insert in the cup holder. So they haven't cut any corners, they've spent extras, and also in the top section as well, just to protect that interior. Oh, and even on here as well. They're absolutely everywhere. So really good quality. Really handy if you drinks and such. That'll soak up some of the water, hopefully. Again, to open your extra cab or king cab, just inside the door handle, the lever is just beneath that seat belt, just there. And again, really handy being the 4-seat. So if you are a tradie, still can pick the kids up from childcare or sports, have the best of both worlds, having that extra trailers also as well. Back section, again, really clean. Beautiful condition. All right, we'll continue the exterior Coming to the back end, so your rear tub section of that king cab, really clean condition. You'll see the Hilux reflection and me reflection behind it. Absolutely phenomenally clean. Rear alloy and tyre, again, great condition again. Coming back to your tub section, pardon me, all your tailgate area, your ST-X badging, your reverse sensors which are factory fitted, your chrome rear step and tow bar, and all your trailer plugs already set up ready for you to go if you're going to do a bit of caravanning. Really, really handy. Soft tonneau cover, again, which is standard on the ST-X. Your rear sports bar as well. Just makes it look so much tougher with all these extras. Really good looking ute. Phenomenally clean. I'll jump between this car and we'll come back for the tailgate area, or the tub area on the driver's side again. Really clean condition. You'll see the keyboards in the background, the reflection. So it just shows you how clean this utility is. Absolutely beautiful. Phenomenal condition. Your all-terrain tyres and alloy wheels, again, present really well. So I'll jump inside the car. We'll give you all the features interior-wise. So you do have your EVC throttle controller just on the right-hand side of your steering wheel cluster section. All your lights, petrol cap and rear centre window button are just there as well, which all the Nissan Navaras have from ST right up. We'll jump inside the car, give you the exact kilometres as well. Oh, a bit cooler inside because it's quite warm outside today. So current kilometres are 207,829, so they're the current kilometres. Again, your push button start on the left hand side of your steering wheel as well, being the ST-X, that is standard on a push button start. Steering wheel controls, you've got your source button for your stereo, your Bluetooth volume controls, and your functionality for your stereo. And your right hand side is your cruise control, Bluetooth buttons, the volume controls over here, Bluetooth buttons over to your left hand side. Good thing with the ST-X in this series, satellite navigation was standard, so you do have factory satellite navigation, AM, FM radio, again reverse camera, not so select reverse, you've got your reverse camera as well, so really good features in the ST-X Navara. Beneath that is your dual climate control, so you've got his and her heating, again really handy to solve an argument, whoever's cold or hot. No more arguments of course. And then beneath that is all your four-wheel drive settings, 12-volt plug, USB port down the bottom there as well, and again your interior protectors as mentioned earlier in the video. Automatic transmission, and then coming back to your heated seats and your red arc electric brake unit as I mentioned a little bit earlier. So really clean condition. Bessing is a king cab, so they are very hard to come by, king cab, especially in a 4x4 and ST-X. So normally not an easy ute to find. You'll find more king cabs are probably in the base models, in the RX or DX, depending on the year you're looking at. But in ST-X, they are very hard to come by. So please do not leave it too long. If you're after a king cab in a Navara as well, these sell ultra quick. But as you'll see from our video, absolutely phenomenal condition, great value for money, great kilometres, and so many features to this. So if you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to give us a call at the dealership. You can either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both be here to look after you well. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through the video, and hopefully we've found the right ute for you. Have a great day.